Are you preparing for Praxis Middle School Mathematics 5164, Properties of Lines and Angles, Geometry and Measurement, Area, Volume, Perimeter, Angle Relationships, and Context? Think you might need a little extra help getting ready for the test? Well, I'm here to help. My name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at Study.com and a certified secondary teacher. As I work through these geometry problems, don't forget to pause the video and try them along with me. Okay, let's get started. Lines M and N are parallel. Line T intersects lines M and N. Which statement about the angles formed is always true? So we're talking about two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So if we look at the choices here, corresponding angles are supplementary. That is not a true statement. Corresponding angles are congruent. So choice A is out. Choice C says adjacent angles are congruent. Well, adjacent angles are actually supplementary. So choice C is eliminated. And then choice D said vertical angles are supplementary, and we know vertical angles are congruent in geometry. So the correct answer here is alternate exterior angles are congruent, choice B. A rectangular garden has a length of 12 meters and a width of 7 meters. What is the area of the garden? Okay, so we're dealing with a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. So we have a length of 12 and a width of 7. So if we multiply that together, we're going to get 84 square meters. So the correct choice here would be C. What is the volume of a cylinder with a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters? Use pi equals 3.14. Is it A, 113.04 cubic centimeters, B, 452.16 cubic centimeters, C, 226.08 cubic centimeters, or D, 1,130.4 cubic centimeters? Okay, so we're going to use the volume of a cylinder, and the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared, the area of the base, times the height, and we're going to plug in 3.14 for pi times the radius squared, so we get 4 in for r. We have 4 squared times the height, and the height is 9. And if we use our on-screen calculator here, we're going to get 452.16 cubic centimeters. So the choice is answer B. A ladder leans against a wall and forms a 65-degree angle with the ground in a coordinate plane setup. What is the measure of the angle between the ladder and the wall? Okay, so let's make a sketch. So here's our wall, here's the ground, and I'm going to draw in a ladder. Okay, and it says that this ladder forms a 65-degree angle with the ground. Okay, so this angle here is 65 degrees. We know we have a right angle because the wall is perpendicular to the ground, and we want to find the angle between the ladder and the wall. So this is our unknown right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the triangle sum theorem, and that the three angles of a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So we would say x plus 90 plus 65 has to equal 180, which means that x plus 155 has to equal 180. So if we subtract 155 from both sides, we're going to get x equals 25 degrees. So choice D. Okay, there you go. That was a few types of problems that you would see on the test. How do you think you would have done? Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos focusing on geometry. For more practice, check out our Praxis Middle School Mathematics 5164 playlist, and for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest practice test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.